And the agenda of this meeting is also to decide upon the Independence Day security as fresh intel and information that has now been shared by the agencies. Now, what sources say, according to the fresh information that has now come across, that there could be certain anti-social elements or those with ideological leanings towards Khalistani movement who can portray themselves as Delhi police personnel and could try to infiltrate the Red Fort security. Now, attempts that can be made to create a law and order situation also at the religious sites in the national capital. This is a high-level meeting. What we are getting to know is currently underway, and very important inputs that is now being shared to give across the information. What is being said that there could be an attempt to also worsen the situation, or rather to disturb the situation just before the Independence Day. 2 days to go. We know that the national capital is completely fortified. High-level security meetings that have been taking place, especially when it comes to the border areas of the Delhi NCR regions, that is being closely monitored, and there has been strict vigil and guard that is now being taking place at the border areas. But what is being said, according to the latest input and the intel that is being shared, that there could be a security scare during the Independence Day celebrations, according to agencies. This is a fresh alert that has now been cited. Shravan Sen will be giving us more details. Shravan, the details of the fresh alert, what exactly is the warning that has now been cited?
Well, in fact, this is a preparation ahead of the Independence Day. They're essentially looking into the security measures that have been put into place. However, having said that, remember, there have been certain threats, especially coming in from the Khalistani movement outside India, specifically threatening people not to be part of the Independence Day celebrations. In fact, this has now been linked to SFJ, the banned outfit. In fact, there have been multiple calls that have been received by many people in the national capital on these calls essentially emerging from Canada. That is one of the reasons why we are looking at all of this being part of the agenda of this entire high-level meeting of the top officials of the Delhi police, which is currently underway.
So what does this input really talk about, Shravan? Because it is also being said that attempt could be made to create a law and order situation, especially at the sites or places of worship across the national capital.
Well, Amita, the idea is not to press the panic button at this point in time, but this is essentially a meeting ahead of the Independence Day celebrations that are going to take place. Keeping that in mind, the law and order situation becomes paramount for the Delhi police, and that is the reason why they're essentially conducting this high-level meeting that is taking place. With regards to specific input, that essentially hasn't been discussed by the Delhi police at this point in time. But having said that, sources essentially indicating that ahead of the Independence Day, there have been several such inputs that do come, that usually makes the round. And this is something that many officers have essentially indicated that this is routine in nature, especially ahead of the Independence Day celebration.
Right.